Hello. Here's an assignment. This will be due Thursday. The in-school students have seen this now, and this will be due on Thursday. So here's what you do. You make a Google slide or Keynote slideshow, and you look up how trees turn color in the fall, why they turn, how they turn. Find out these answers with details and create a Google slideshow with pics to explain. No less than one title slide, 6 information slides, and then you can have a fun slide. This is due Thursday. So find out how and why trees turn color in the fall by the internet. You can look up information possibly on YouTube. You can have pics of different things. Make the slideshow awesome. I know you can do this. So do that, and then it will be due Thursday. So good luck with that. If you have questions, let me know. Take care.